Today's Kingstonist news is brought to you by Kingston Community Credit Union, Kingston's only locally owned credit union serving Kingstonians for over 65 years. KCCU, your community, your credit union. I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, April 2nd, 2025. Municipalities and utility companies across the province are still hard at work cleaning up the aftermath of a significant ice storm that impacted a wide area of Ontario over the weekend. Here in Kingston, 350 requests for service were received by the City of Kingston, and the Kingston Fire and Rescue Communications Centre answered more than 200 calls for assistance. Utilities Kingston crews have been working around the clock as the agency has received approximately 194 calls and experienced 39 outages. While crews are still busy cleaning up from the weekend's ice storm, Environment Canada has issued multiple weather alerts for the Kingston area, including another freezing rain warning this week. The National Weather Agency has a special weather statement, rainfall warning, and freezing rain warning in effect for the Kingston area from Wednesday morning through Thursday afternoon. With an overlapping time frame, the freezing rain warning details the accumulation of 2 to 5 millimeters of ice in the area. On Tuesday, April 1st, 2025, Gananoque Council will vote on a recommendation to refresh the town's civic collection, adding 3 historical artifacts while saying farewell to 8 others that no longer fit the bill. Among the proposed newcomers are a shuttlehead spinning and quilting machine, a color print of the Gananoque Carriage Company, and photographs of the Thousand Islands Bridge. Each tells a story of craftsmanship, industry, and the connections that shape the town. As warmer temperatures approach, the Southeast Health Unit is reminding everyone to take precautions to minimize the risk of contracting vector-borne diseases, such as Lyme disease, when enjoying the outdoors this spring. Higher tick activity increases the risk of each resident being exposed to and infected by ticks with vector-borne illnesses. The southeastern region of Ontario is an established risk area for Lyme disease. For more stories from the Leeds and Grenville area, visit our sister site, brockvillas.com.